Good day, ma'am. Today, we will present our output entitled Book Your Online Appointment. I am Trisha May Bertoldo.
And this is Jambi G. Pontog.
So, now we will discuss the introductions of our website.
So, the Pregnancy Appointment Online Application is a comprehensive digital platform nga gibuhat namo aron mas mapadali ang process sa mga expectant mother nga gusto magpa-schedule sa ilahang prenatal care check-ups. Through ani nga online appointment website, ang main purpose namo is to improve accessibility, efficiency, and patient satisfaction.
So, we propose this system in a broad online platform for them to access easier and organize well. So, in scheduling for an appointments, we want to ensure that they will cater in a good way. Our aim in this system is to ensure and make the most easiest for those pregnant mothers, especially those teenage who got pregnant early. So, by improving also their pregnancy journey through this system.
So, our key component, user-friendly interface. Ang website namo is a user-friendly interface. The website features an intuitive user interface that allows user to easily navigate through the various sections of the platform. Then, appointment scheduling. User can schedule their pregnancy appointments with healthcare providers directly through the website, selecting available time, slots, and dates that suit their needs. Then, personal information. So, the system stores personal informations about each users, including diri ang ilang mga medical history, previous appointments, and any specific requirements or concerns they may have. Then, last, sa communication tools. So, ang user can send message to their healthcare providers through a secure messaging systems, allowing for quick and efficient communication regarding any pre- or postnatal concerns or questions.
So, So we create this system in a better and most effective way for those pregnant mothers. So gibuhat jud namo ni siya nga system to give accessibility and informations and to ensure nga mas makabalo sila what and when sila makater through their appointments. So the method facilitates more effective use of time and resources by reducing wait periods for our pregnant mothers, so giving them the ability to remain updated on their health and upcoming visits and any necessary follow-up care.
And for the implementation plan, to develop content related to pregnancy, including stages, symptoms, nutrition, and general care, and to ensure the accuracy and relevance information that we give. We collaborate with medical professionals and design an intuitive website. I-ensure namo nga secure ang users information nga ilang ihatag sa amo sa mga expectant mothers nga users. Then amo pong gi-ensure nga clear amo ang paghatag sa ilaha og schedule o guided about sa ilahang appointment.
So, in order to address objections or issues regarding sa among website in an online pregnancy appointment website, importante jud nga i-prioritize nato ang privacy sa atong client ug i-make sure pud nato nga maka-access sila sa atong website. Og accessible pod ang website para no more error when it comes to scheduling their appointments. And also, this website gives you an accurate informations nga para mas madali masabtan ang mga pamaagi sa pag-appointment. So, we can effectively mitigate these concerns and create a valuable resources for expectant mothers throughout their pregnancy journey.
And for the overall conclusion, so the pregnancy appointment online application project has yielded several key achievements and outcomes. So first, it has streamlined the process of scheduling and managing pregnancy appointments, providing expectant mothers with a convenient and efficient platform to book and track their appointments. Additionally, the application has enhanced communication between healthcare providers and pregnant women, allowing for timely updates, reminders, and access to vital information throughout the prenatal care journey. Then in terms of potential impact on the target audience, the e-government health application naghold siya og significant promise for expectant mothers by offering a user-friendly interface and round-the-clock accessibility. The application empowers pregnant women to take control of their healthcare journey, facilitating between facilitating better self-care and decision-making. Furthermore, the convenience of online appointment scheduling and information can help mitigate barriers to prenatal care, particularly for individuals facing transportation challenges or busy schedules. So overall, ang website nga gibuhat namo is makatabang na siya mostly sa mga expectant mother nga layo kayo sila ilahang lugar, layo kayo og walay mga medical clinic para makakuan sila appointment, need pa sila og transportation. So kini ma-address nila ang issues ana sa expectant mother nga through ani nga online appointment ilahang gamiton pagpa-schedule sa ilahang prenatal care.
So that's all, ma'am. Thank you for listening.